Nokia is a very old and legendary smartphone company. If you're also a Nokia fan, then we have some exciting news for you. That's right, Nokia is about to launch its most awaited smartphone yet. This incredible device will blow your mind with a 300-megapixel DSLR level camera, and a massive 8500 mAh powerhouse battery. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the Nokia Premiere Pro 5G, the ultimate smartphone beast. If you're eager to get your hands on this phone, make sure to watch this video till the end, because today we're revealing all the leaked specs, pricing, and launch details. So, let's start. Features of Nokia Premiere Pro 5G. Display. This stunning phone flaunts a 6.86-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, with 2K resolution, delivering ultra-sharp visuals. Plus, it runs on a 120 Hz refresh rate, and 360 Hz touch sampling rate for buttery smooth performance. And that's not all, you also get an in-display fingerprint sensor and Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection for ultimate durability. Camera setup. For photography lovers, Nokia is packing a triple rear camera setup, with a primary 300-megapixel sensor, with OIS support, including 32-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 12-megapixel periscope sensor for insane zoom capabilities. For selfie lovers, there's a 50-megapixel front camera, perfect for ultra-clear selfies and video calls. Processor and performance. The Nokia Premiere Pro 5G is powered by the monster Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 octa-core processor, ensuring blazing fast speeds and lag-free multitasking. It runs on the latest Android 16 out of the box, with 3 years of guaranteed OS updates, so you're future-proof. Battery and charging. Now, let's talk about the Beast Mode battery, an 8500 mAh powerhouse that will keep you going for days. And when you do need to recharge, 110-watt wired fast charging will get you back to 100% in no time. Price and launch date. Finally, the big question, how much will it cost? The expected price is around $690, making it a flagship killer. And as for the launch date, leaks suggest Nokia will unveil this beast very soon, so stay tuned for more updates.